welcome to my channel. Long story short, folks, I hope to bring you through this channel heartwarming and romantic content that adds a bit of warmth to your hearts. And the name of this channel is called Yahweh, which simply means outdoors in Korean. So I'll be using the acronym, as you can see here, Yankee Hotel Whiskey Hotel, YHWH, as a channel name. I don't know if you noticed, this acronym also has a double meaning. If you know, you know. In this video, I'm taking you on a journey as I upgrade my car. The story behind is that I traded in my Lexus for a 2019 Jeep SUV. And yeah, I realized that this is the very first step before taking you all on some epic outdoor adventures. So, I am breaking this video down into 5 different parts. Part 1, brake inspection. Well, gotta make sure the brakes are solid because if they're not, I'm gonna fall off a cliff and die. Part 2, LED light upgrade. I'm not a fan of the original stock halogen lights that my car came with, so I'm upgrading it to a brighter, better looking LED lights. Part 3, tire change. Swapping out stock tires for all-terrain ones. Yeah, time to get this ride ready for rougher road conditions. Part 4, interior paint job. The center console color is just too ugly for me, so I'm gonna fix it up with some automotive spray paint to make it look better. Part 5, off-roading adventure. It's now time to put it to the ultimate test. I'm gonna be taking the Jeep to Harrison Lake FSR for some off-roading fun. Okay, I'm all set. 3, 2, 1, ready, action. Hey guys, today I'm taking my ride to an automotive shop owned by a good buddy of mine, Colton. He is the owner of this shop called Bruno Automotive, located here in North Van. So yeah, the reason why I'm taking my car into the shop is because when I first got this car, brakes were making a bit of a squeaky noise, and I'm just really glad that I can leave my car in the hands of someone that I can trust, because these times, unfortunately, you can't really trust certain types of businesses. Let's see how it goes. Okay, I think we're here. What's going on, buddy?
What's going on, man?
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
My car's there.
Yeah.
The squeaky brakes.
Squeaky brakes? Okay.
Yeah, so just want to take a look.
Sure, yeah.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah, I mean, it all looks fine. You can kind of take it apart and clean everything up and lubricate it.
Okay.
The pads themselves are like 90%.
Exactly.
Looking at the edge of them,
Yep.
and just the amount of like dirt that's gotten in,
Okay.
that can cause a lot of noise too. These are pretty dry. Usually we put a silicone paste on the back of these.
Okay.
Okay.
All right,
Sounds
cool.
good.
Thanks.
I later realized that he didn't charge me anything for the visit.
I feel bad, but
No, don't. Please don't.
did.
Yeah.
Appreciate it. Cheers,
Cool.
man. Thanks a lot. Yeah, so I just got my car back. Luckily, we didn't have to do any heavy maintenance or fix on the brakes. Yeah, I just got that cleaned and I don't hear a thing anymore. So great. Thanks, buddy. Hey guys, I just finished my shift for today. And yeah, I'm pretty excited because it's another day, another set of upgrades. So today I'm gonna be exchanging all my halogen lights to LED lights. Yeah, let's go. So I'll bring it down to the garage and do it underground. I'm now inside the underground parking lot. Okay, so first LED high beam and low beam light, LED fog light, daytime running light, LED intelligent decoder. Hey, look at that.
Upgrade complete.
Here to pick up new all-terrain tires from Facebook.
How's it going, boss? Good. It's these guys, right? Yeah. Okay, I'll check it out.
Whatever's in the ad, yeah.
225, 65, 17, cool. Looks great, boss. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 60.
Alright, man. Thanks a lot.
Alright, cheers, man.
Have a good one.
You too.
Time to load these babies up. Kimoti? Now I'm gonna be driving over to a shop in Port Moody to get my new all-terrain tires fitted.
Oh, 사람이 많군. Hey boss, just doing a tire change?
Do you have the tires?
Yeah, it's in the back.
So you can just park it right behind Paywall.
Okay.
One eternity later.
Hey boss.
I'm extremely so sorry.
No, it's okay.
Sorry about
No,
that. So sorry about
no, I love you guys. I come here all the time. I understand.
I asked for permission to shoot some video around, and permission granted.
Okay, thank you. Appreciate it. Cheers.
Upgrade complete.
Hey guys, it's me again. I'm super happy, very excited because today is the finale. Gas!
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Well, folks, that was an absolute fail. Hey guys, so I just arrived at the Harrison Lake Service Road entrance. Stay tuned. I'm heading up. Yes, I made it.